Everybody coming over here with the 10 letter. People's over here, so yes, I get better. Better with my years on up in my nine. Still over here saying things about time. Still got the people up on my side. People's over here trying to get a ride. Still over here trying to get size. Everybody saying, damn, who am I? People call me the J. People talking about why you up in my face. Still over here trying to go and get the chase. Chase over here, but still get bass. Get bass in my voice, man. No, I don't got that. My voice is natural. I'ma get that. People trying to call me that girl. Motherfuckers over here, you see these thirds. Hey, I got these things. People's over here, if you know what I mean. Knowing everything when you coming with pain. Pain over here said pain ain't gain. Still, I'm doing it every time. Still over here, but you cut my mind. Write these things and thing is up. Still over here, I don't give wood. Hey, everybody see me. Do you wanna be here? Do you wanna be me? I'ma come over here saying things is over. I'm talking about where's that brother? Do you wanna go? Do you wanna flow? How you gonna go? Maybe you know. Going in the hood, maybe this hood. Everybody talking about misunderstood. J-O-R-D-A-N, number 45, if you keep just me. That was my jersey when I played football. But I'm rapping 23 saying, get on. Say, what you see, what you see. I'm over here trying to be what I be. Still over here trying to get on TV. Still coming over here, can't fuck with me. Still over here, still maybe over there. People talking about with the hands in the air. People talking about I really don't care. How you gonna roll that thing everywhere? Got my hair just shaking, shining, rhyming. People talking about I'm timing over here, design maybe time out. Still over here saying what it's all about. Still to the left, maybe to that right. Still over here, I get that fight. Arms getting bigger, people getting sticker. Some over here, I see that nigga saying what you say. People over here saying what can you say?